Those are minnows all hanging out by Michael's foot.
Yeah, they're stuck in my toes. There's another one on this side, guys. Well, there's actually no more of it.
Oh, he just went away.
Oh, no, it's right there, it's right there.
Oh, now he's back.
It keeps on coming and going.
Coming and going. For some reason, they really like this foot.
Yeah.
So I don't know if he invaded their space with that foot.
And they're trying to attack me.
If they're eating his foot fungus off that foot.
Guys, I heard people put their foot in like the fishes that go like this. So you guys, they're all the way over there on Cannonball Island as far as they call it.
Oh, Michael wants to move.
Wait, I'm gonna try to put my hand in, guys.
He can't. Oh, he wants to catch some. Go ahead. See if you can get him. Don't move your foot.
Oh, guys, they'll be coming back. Trust me. They're right there. Okay. 3, 2.
He might get one. If he stays still enough. Can he do it? He can do it.
I'm sucking my thumb.
Aww. Are they going in your hand? Yes.
Well, some of them are, and then they go back to my toe.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to try to catch one right in my paw. And that'll be the first ever. Guys, they're trying to grab the pepperoni. For the pizza. Okay, guys, once one goes in my paw, I'm going to grab it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I never caught you guys. They're still there, so. Round 2.
So we are here at the Delaware River. I don't know what all this floaty foam stuff is. This is not here all the time. I don't know if this is some sort of pollution or something. Who knows?
Oh, so close. Guys, I'm starting to get cramps, so. Round 3. Third time to charm, as I hear. Guys, they keep on coming back. They like me. I'm not gonna hurt them. Alright, that didn't count because it's not my birthday yet.
You get one?
No. Guys, you're on my toe again. Because I'm going to do this until I catch one. Since I'm doing this, guys, you got to give us 10 likes.
Oh, I think somebody just got unexpectedly wet.
Guys, you heard me? You got to give us 10 likes since I'm doing this.
Was it you? You just fell in?
I slipped. Only my knees went in. Did I get one? No. Guys, I feel them in my hand.
We need a net.
Yeah.
Because as soon as you're lifting your hand out, like wherever the fish is, it's like sliding right out.
Like flinch as fast as I can.
Yeah.
These guys, they have like, they know what's coming.
The minnows are all hanging out by his foot.
Yeah, they're sucking my foot.
If you go in there and just stand still, they might just hang out by your foot.
Don't come
Just stand still.
If I catch one, you have to give us 10 likes.
But you got to stand still. You're not being still yet.
Because after you make the toes, you know,
It's so hard for kids to stay still. This is good practice.
Yep. Oh, oh, so close. Guys, they have to come through my hand or else they won't come. Oh, one's right there that I moved. They swim faster than Aquaman.
There's a bunch of them jumping and eating right now.
None of them are coming to my toe. You get one? No. They're not touching it. They're just going above it. Like in my reflexes. They're all going on my left toe. Oh my god, there's like 5 of them at my toe. I can't make my hand flatter so they don't go down. They're eating all the like dirt on it. Go to my hand, go to my hand. Go to my hand, go to my hand. Go to my hand, go to my hand. Please, please, please. There's dirt in my hand, there's dirt in my hand. Oh my god, they're eating my toe. Go to my hand, there's dirt in my hand.
I don't know what all that foamy stuff is. It's all over down the river. See all that white? All those white patches? It doesn't look like much right there. When you go up, it's all up the river. All weird white foamy patches, which I'm no expert on the river. I have no idea what it is. My first thought is pollution. It looks like soap bubbles. Just big patches of soap bubbles.
Yeah.
All the way up there. See all that? What is that? Anyone have any ideas? What looks like soap bubbles that floats down the river in mass quantities? What is that? Weird.
Hey guys. Guys, this is the most fun I had in a while because we're stuck in Bena Vista. So it's like we're actually free, like going in the water. Well, we can't really get our clothes wet because we don't really have a dryer.
If you guys want to see some ASMR.
Oh yeah, guys, check out our shorts ASMRs and our long.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna throw a few rocks in the water if you guys want to see some ASMRs.
Yeah, guys, I hope you like ASMRs because we like doing them. Or as we call them, ASMRs.
Sorry, hold up.
Fun fact: the first video is about ants. Oh no, our first video was clowning around.
Shit, we're gonna miss ice cream. It's 8:58.
Oh my god.